Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Cruella's fashion designer outfit before she became Cruella, I guess, on Dress to Impress. I'm just going to remove everything except for the hair. For the hair, use this one in this color 6F20E. Rotate the X to 0.53, Y 0.47, Z 0.49, and scale it to 0.45. Grab this updo in the same color, no adjustments made. Grab this hair in the same color, position the X to 0.56, Y 0.55, and scale it to 0.35. Grab these bangs and color it the same, and no adjustments made. For the hat, grab the beret and color it black. Position it all to 0.49, scale it to 0.46. Rotate the Z to 0.49 as well. Then for the outfit, I'm going to use this top in this color in silk. And then grab this one in the second toggle in that same color. And then grab this vest in the third one in that same color in light silk. Oh, I forgot. I think it should be light silk, but actually just color that black. Grab these pants in this color in light silk. Use these pants in this dark color. Like so. And then we're going to grab these boots. You can change the color if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like this. And grab these glasses in black and in a lighter brown. Rotate it and scale it down a little bit and adjust it like so. If you want, you can also carry some books here. I'll carry these ones like that. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.